If you've ever stood in front of a slot machine or opened an online casino game and felt completely lost about which buttons to press, you're definitely not alone. Many first-timers get confused by all the options before they even spin once, and that's exactly what we're clearing up today. I'm walking you through the absolute basics of playing slots, whether you're at a physical venue or playing online, so you'll know exactly what each button does and how to avoid expensive mistakes right from the start. The fundamental process is actually pretty straightforward once you understand it. You insert your money, choose how much you want to bet per line, then select how many lines you're playing. Here's something that trips people up though. On many physical slot machines, selecting your lines automatically triggers the spin without needing a separate spin button. Online slots work a bit differently. You'll adjust your credit size and credits per line first. Then you actually press a spin button or max bet button to get things rolling. Now let's talk about those buttons that seem to confuse everyone. The collect button is for withdrawing your winnings. It either triggers a coin payout or gets staff to help you cash out. The gamble button lets you risk whatever you just won on a double or nothing proposition after a winning spin. There's no magic trick here, only gamble if you're genuinely comfortable losing that prize. And that Paytable button shows you which symbols pay what amounts and how bonus rounds get activated. Always check that Paytable first before you start playing. One question I hear constantly is how to figure out what you're actually betting before you spin. It's simple math. Multiply your credit size by your credits per line to calculate your real bet amount. So if you've got a 1 cent credit size and you're playing 10 credits per line, that's 10 cents per spin. Always confirm that total before you play, so you don't accidentally bet more than you intended. Here's what you need to remember. Set your bet amount first, understand that selecting lines on physical machines often triggers the spin automatically, and always review that Paytable before you start. There are no secret combinations or tricks. Each spin follows the programmed odds built into the machine. When you're ready to give it a try, compare top-rated online casinos, check out their welcome bonuses, and start playing with confidence at a licensed site that's right for your budget.